Hey guys, and welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to use Revolut. In this video, we'll cover everything from setting up your account to making transfers, managing currencies, investing, and even earning rewards on everyday spending. And if you're new to Revolut, check out the link in the description to sign up and start exploring all these features for yourself. Now, let's dive in. So once you've signed up and logged in, Revolut's multi-currency feature lets you open accounts in over 30 different currencies. Imagine you're traveling or making international transactions. You can simply select a currency within the app and you'll get local account details in that currency within seconds. This feature makes Revolut ideal for those who regularly work or travel abroad. Revolut also has fantastic options for families. You can set up a joint account with a partner where both of you have equal ownership of the funds, even if one person contributes more than the other. It's a shared financial space, making it easy to manage household expenses. And if you have kids between 6 and 17, you can create an account for them too. This account links to yours so you can set allowances, track their spending, and manage everything from your main app. A great way to help kids develop smart money habits while keeping an eye on their expenses. To add funds to your Revolut account, you can link your main bank accounts to Revolut. Go to the homepage, click Add Money, and choose your method, whether it's Apple Pay, a bank transfer, or a debit or credit card. This makes it simple to keep your Revolut balance topped up. Just a quick tip, be aware that some debit or credit cards might charge a small fee when you add money, so check those details if you're using one. Revolut also gives you a few card options to fit your needs. You can order a physical card for everyday purchases, but there's also a virtual card which is perfect for online shopping since it adds a layer of extra security. And then there's also the disposable card, a fantastic feature if you're worried about online security. With each use, the card details refresh automatically so your info stays safe. You can easily create, freeze, or manage any of these cards directly from the app. You can also personalize the app theme by choosing from styles like glow, abstract, cyberpunk, and more. You can even change the app icon and language to match your preferences. Revolut offers multiple ways to send and receive money. First, you can transfer money to other Revolut users by finding them with their Rev tag or scanning their QR code. Or you can transfer funds to any bank by entering the recipient's IBAN and other details. You can even send money to a crypto wallet by selecting the crypto, entering the wallet address, and hitting send. And if you're sending money internationally, Revolut has an option to show the best transfer method for that country. For easy payment requests, you can also create a payment link that lets friends pay you back instantly. Now, for those of you who are interested in investing, Revolut makes it accessible. You can buy stocks, commodities like gold and silver, and bonds directly within the app. With thousands of stocks to choose from, you can start by adding money to your investment account, then simply pick what you want to invest in. Revolut also offers tools like market screeners, which help you keep track of the top movers in various industries. And if you want to set up recurring investments, that's available too. Alright, now let's talk crypto. Revolut allows you to trade and manage cryptocurrencies directly in the app. To start, just tap on crypto, search for your preferred currency, like Bitcoin in this case, and select buy. You can even automate crypto purchases with recurring buys to grow your investment steadily over time. Lastly, we got RevPoints. So with RevPoints, Revolut gives you rewards on your everyday spending. After making 150 transactions within the first 90 days, you will start earning points, which can be converted to airline miles or redeemed for discounts on hotels, experiences, and more. To earn points with the standard plan, make sure to enable the spare change feature. This way, each purchase rounds up to the nearest whole amount, adding the extra points to your RevPoints. Revolut takes security seriously. You can freeze your card in the app if you lose it. set spending limits, and control your privacy settings. If you ever run into issues like the app not working on a particular device, checking for app updates or reaching out to customer support usually does the trick. For any issues with customer service response times, try using the in-app chat during business hours for faster replies. Revolut's team is there to help with everything from account setup to transaction questions. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.